I'm here at the embassy of Estonia in Berlin, and I just picked up my e-Residency card. So for me the process took exactly 2 months. So I applied for the card on 13th of December, and I received it today and on the 13th of February. So basically the process was relatively smooth. Maybe in my case was not the quickest one because there were the holidays in between, like Christmas, New Year's. But basically, yeah, so I was pretty much all the time updated with the status of my application. And yeah, so on the 8th of January I received an email that the Estonian police has received my application. That is like, yeah, took almost a month for them to receive it. Then on 15th of January I got granted the card. Then the Berlin embassy received the card on the 3rd of February. And then the next business day I basically called them to arrange an appointment, and the closest appointment was today, the 13th of February, which is a bit more than a week took me to get to the card, though it was already here. So yeah, 2 round months. Now I'm looking forward to get starting using it. Thanks.